Good day! We are excited to introduce our topic entitled
Clean and Fresh Water Vending Machines at NBSC.
I'm Poncho Labandero Salas.
And I am Mr. Quintin Tundin.
I am Gisa Tagik.
I am Antoinette Ula. And I am Rami Piansao.
And we are Group A.
Greetings everyone. Before I start the exercise, I will introduce myself. I'm Poncho Labandero Salas from Group A. So these are the data that we have gathered. Majority of the respondents with a total of 22 respondents, 25 respondents are agreeing with the project with a percent of 95.2, and the other half disagree is 0%, and from 4.8% from the neutral, only one person who is neutral to this project. So these are the pie chart of the result. As you can see, 95% of the pie chart is agreeing with of this project, and on the other hand is 0% of disagree, and neutral is 4.8% of the chart is only one panel.
Everyone, I am Mr. Quintin, the second presenter of the day. And this is our define. This is there's a problem of the NBSC that face many students at NBSC struggle with dehydration throughout the day due to limited access of drinking water. And the lack of clean drinking water also affects students' ability to focus and perform academically. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and decreased cognitive function, making it difficult for students to concentrate their lecture.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Gisa Tagik, so this is our ID. Install water vending machine, provide filtered fresh water on demand. Partner with local water refilling station with the help and partnership of the local business water refilling station. We can buy and ensure we have fresh and clean water. So we will install a water vending machine on campus to provide a readily available filtered fresh drinking water on demand. We will forge a partnership with local water refilling station to ensure a reliable supply of high-quality water for the vending machine, guaranteeing a consistent access to clean water. Rainwater collection with basic filtration. Rainwater can be collected from campus building rooftops and stored in tanks before being filtered using basic filters. To supplement our water supply and promote sustainability, we will implement a rainwater harvesting system. Rainwater collected from campus building rooftops will be stored in a designated tanks and filtered using a basic filtration system before being used for non-potable purposes. Classroom water dispenser. It will have a water dispenser in every classroom that student can drink to have fresh and clean water. To enhance student access to clean drinking water, we will install a water dispenser in every classroom. This will ensure that students have convenient access to fresh water, filtered water throughout the school day.
Good day everyone, I am Rami Piansao and I am the presenter of Prototype. We chose a water vending machine designed specifically for students at NBSC. This prototype focuses on installing a new water vending machine at Northern Bukidnon State College, specifically designed to meet the needs of students. The machine offers a convenient and effective way for students to access fresh, clean water drinking during the school day. The prototype shows what the machine design and plan located within the college. Testing will involve a student feedback to ensure it meets their needs. This will be the look of our prototype. Imagine this picture. Instead of walking across campus for overpriced drinking water, students at NBAC can easily grab water for only 1 peso. Our prototype of clean drinking water vending machines solved the problems of inconvenient and costly hydration. We're placing affordable, accessible water dispenser directly in school buildings, eliminating long lines, waste time, and the need for long walks, especially during busy periods. The goal is a more convenient, refreshing, and affordable experience for every student.
So, good day everyone. I am Antoinette Tulang and I will be presenting a test. Location set up like the canteen or a hallway. Select a group of students from a different year to try it. This plan outlines the locate and testing space for a water access improvement project. Water vending machine will be strategically placed in high traffic areas such as canteen and hallway for optimal accessibility. A diverse group of students representing a different year level will be participate in a trial period to gather feedback and assess the of the new water access points.
Overall, the purpose of our topic is to help our people of the Northern Bukidnon State College to have a clean and fresh water to drink, especially to our students and our faculties of this campus.
That would be all. Thank you.